The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a significant shift in design for Samsung. They've been drawing a lot of influences from Apple recently, and I was scared it'd end up looking like an iPhone. But it doesn't seem like that's occurring. Before we get into the new design, let's speak about a huge update that has already been announced for the S25 Ultra, 16GB of RAM. Samsung's 2025 flagships will include faster LPDDR6 ROM, not just any RAM. The S21 Ultra was the latest Samsung phone to include 16GB of RAM. You may be wondering, 16GB of RAM on a phone? Sal, that's excessive. And, for the time being, 12GB is more than plenty for most flagship phones, with anything more seeming to be like overkill. However, when on-device AI is taken into account, this argument falls apart. AI programs consume massive amounts of data very rapidly, and although they work great today, they will need more RAM as they get more complicated. So having 16GB of RAM is a wise decision to future-proof the S25 Ultra, ensuring that it can handle new AI functions without slowing down. The S25 Ultra will get a much-needed design overhaul. Previously, there were reports that Samsung might ditch the boxy appearance in favor of a more rounded design, comparable to the Galaxy Note 7. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will sport a new rounded frame design on the back and a straight display side. This will make the frame narrower and lower the bezels on the display sides. I know that's difficult to imagine, but imagine it like the Galaxy Note 5 or the ordinary Galaxy S7, with its rounded edges and thinner, flat frames that bend towards the back. This new design should make the S25 Ultra more ergonomic than the S24 Ultra. Most significantly, it will not look like an iPhone. Moving on to the battery and charging, Ice Universe claims that the S25 Ultra will keep its 5000 mAh capacity and 45W charging speed. While the 3nm processor may improve efficiency, it is rather disappointing considering the competition, particularly from Chinese manufacturers providing batteries with capacities of 5200 mAh or 5500 mAh. Interestingly, there was a report a while back that Samsung is working on battery AI for the S25 Ultra, which would purportedly enhance battery life by roughly 10%. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.